Yo, tech fans, Samsung just dropped a bombshell about their 2025 lineup, and trust me, you're not ready. From a jaw-dropping Galaxy Watch redesign to the sleekest foldables yet, this is huge. Stick around because you don't want to miss what's coming. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for cutting-edge tech. Imagine a Galaxy Watch that looks and feels like nothing you've ever seen, plus foldables that might just outshine your current phone. Samsung's teasing it all, and we've got the juicy details right from their Q1 2025 earnings call. Let's dive in. First up, the Galaxy Watch is getting a total glow-up. Samsung's calling it an innovative design with next-level health features. We're talking potential blood glucose tracking, better displays, and maybe even a new shape. Could this finally topple the Apple Watch? Sources like 9 to 5 Google say it's dropping mid-2025, likely at Samsung's July Unpacked event. But here's the kicker, Samsung's also hinting at a budget-friendly model to dominate all price points. If you're hyped for this, drop watch goals in the comments. Next, Samsung's foldables are leveling up. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 are set to be slimmer, tougher, and packed with AI smarts. Leaks from Android headlines show the Flip 7 ditching the folder-style cover display for a bigger 4-inch screen perfect for quick tasks. And get this, a budget Flip 7 fee might hit shelves later in 2025 for all you deal hunters. Oh, and a tri-fold phone? Yup, Samsung's teasing that too, though it might just be a concept for now. Tell us, are foldables your vibe or are you sticking with slabs? Don't sleep on the Galaxy Tab S11 series. Samsung's bringing AI-powered tablets to the game in late 2025. Expect vibrant displays, smoother multitasking, and targeted marketing to steal iPad users. Gishina says it's launching after the July foldables, so mark your calendars. This could be the tablet for creators and students. Who's excited? Let us know below. That's the scoop on Samsung's 2025 lineup. From a game-changing Galaxy Watch to foldables that scream future, we're counting down to July. Want more leaks and tech news? Smash that subscribe button.